What's up guys, I'm Jacob, this is Benny. Previously you saw Auto Giant put Ryan's High Ace on air suspension.
Now it's time for Paddy O'Sheas in Noosaville to kit out Roo from Cool to Be Conscious's Ford Transit with a similar setup.
The Airbag Man team have hooked me up with a local specialist, Paddy O'Sheas here in Noosa, and they're going to be installing some airbags into my van. Really excited about this. My mate Ryan got them done a couple of weeks ago, and I think it's really going to benefit my van. It's got quite heavy weight in the back, so I'll be able to even that out, and then also to calibrate the sides of when I'm on a bit of an angle sleeping. Super excited for that, so I'm not on a lean when I'm sleeping. Can't wait to get them in there.
Hey guys, Jake from Patio Shades in Noosaville. We've got Roo in today with his Ford Transit doing an Airbag Man helper kit in the rear, onboard air system as well, wireless controller. Today's going to be a good day.
The boys are getting kitted out, let's go!
We have Airbag Man specialists all over the country and globally.
So if you're looking to have air suspension installed to your vehicle, we will put you in touch with your local specialist. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met.
Alright, just looking at mounting points, looking at where to put the compressor and the tank, and then we'll get stuck into fitting the bags.
So I've got to shoot out and get a few jobs done, but I'm going to leave it in the capable hands of the guys here at Patio Shades, and I'll drop in a little bit later on.
So here at Paddy's 4x4, we don't only do airbags, we can also do all sorts of four-wheel drive accessories. We're the distributors for Dobinsons and Fulcrum in the area. We can sort you out with any kind of package to do with that. So come check us out at Paddy O'Sheas 4-wheel drive garage. We're at 136 Umundi Road in Noosaville.
Colby from the Coffee Coaster absolutely spoils the team at Paddy O'Sheas. I was lucky enough to have a coffee by her. It was absolutely sensational, and unlucky Benny, you did not get to experience that.
I was just here working hard.
We've just fitted up the tank and the compressor, and now we've just got to wire up the control solenoid. So yeah, let's go. Wiring up the ignition source for the compressor so it doesn't run when the car's off.
So I've just popped back into Patio Shades, check out the rig. It's looking amazing. I've got the onboard air in, the compressor and all the wiring. Super excited to drive it out tomorrow.
Day one done and dusted. We ended up staying at the Noosa River Holiday Park for the night, and the sunset was amazing. Check this out.
Alright, day two. Yesterday we got stuck into the air on board system, got the tank, compressor, all wiring done. Now we're getting stuck into the bags, get all the rest of the air lines done out the back, air supply system, see how she goes when it's done. Mint.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
tyres for the lads. Apparently they've done a mint job on this. I am excited to check it out.
So I've just got back, checked out the van, it's looking amazing. Airbags all done, thanks to the guys at Paddy O'Sheas, they've smashed it out. And also a massive thank you to the guys at Airbag Man. Really excited to give these a go, and I reckon I got a little bit more room in mine to run. So I'll check it out later on.
Alright, so all finished on the Transit with the air helper kit, air on board supply kit as well. Install went perfect, everything's mint, customers really happy. If there's anything that we can help you with at Paddy O'Sheas with any of your 4x4 needs, accessories, anything like that, come down see us, 1360 Mundy Road, Noosaville. Phew!
Once your airbag kit's installed, it's important to reference back to the installation instructions for the airbag operating height and maximum pressures, but you can also get all this information via the website.
How was the ride quality?
Oh, thanks for the new van.
Oh mate,
Yeah.
it's back to its factory position, which is awesome.
Yeah, right. The airbag's going around the corners, the roundabouts. It's like so much more stable, and I don't have to like lean into the corners anymore. And then going through the puddles back here and the bumps, it's just like cruisy ride.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Riding on air, baby.
Riding on air.
Yes. Right, so I don't have the luxury of onboard air,
Yep.
so I still haven't put it on the rig yet. But you'll be able to assist with that, won't you?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do it. That's a wrap, guys. We hoped you enjoyed this episode. Now remember, bag it with the best.